guys, today we're going to take a tour of these AB, I believe it's called AB Apartments here. I'll get the correct name actually on the video here. They have a downstairs studio apartment that is vacant. So I thought I would come over here and get a show you what it costs and or what it's in it and what you get for your money here. This apartment here rents for 10,000 pesos a month. Does not include water or electricity. So you would be responsible for your own. So I'll show you what you get here. Over here we got a duck with a bunch of little ducklings. So let's take them. It has aircon.
Yeah, it's complete.
It's got a little fully furnished. Okay.
That's
all right.
cute.
Yeah, you have a little bed here. TV, aircon. You're behind the store here. Has a kitchen here. Sink. What, dishwasher or refrigerator? Oh, there's a little mini refrigerator there. Okay, built into the countertop there. Alright. And this is your bathroom here. It's a traditional bathroom. It does have a shower. The tabo there. No hot water. A bum gun for you if you need that. Okay. This is tile on the wall there, stone looking tile. Alright, nice tile flooring. Okay. It's got emergency lighting. And here we go. It's a twin bed. I would say it's this room is probably maybe 10 feet by 10 feet. So you're looking at maybe like 100 square foot studio. Pretty small. But if you're not spending a lot of time here, you just need a place to crash. Cook an occasional meal, you'd be fine. And it does have a wardrobe cabinet there. Yeah. And you close up. Okay. Alright. So do you rent it by the month or long lease?
Daily, long term, depend on what the client,
Oh, okay.
What depend on them. I accept daily rent.
Daily rent?
Weekly, monthly, long term, yeah.
What's the daily rate?
It's 1.3.
1.3. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So bad.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Okay, just off the light. Thank you.
So the apartment is actually behind the store here. This is the store, and in front of the store is the barangay basketball court. No light out. Oh, there is a street light there. Thank you. Hey. Hey. So here's the basketball court, and so you would have the kids out here playing. Hello. They take their basketball pretty serious here. All right. So A and B Mini Mart, and it's A and B Apartments. All right. All right, A and B Apartments. Yeah. All right.